So right now this is our kitchen. I'm here warming my hands and the weather outside is very cool. So this is the windy weather here in Garrigues. Now I'm going to wash my legs. The water is very cool. It's so cool. Now, so now I'm going out with my mom to buy some vegetables and let's see. Udah. Ya. So right now I'm near the edge of Ganol. Edge, this river is called Ganol. It's raining right now. Bad luck, the owner of this land, I mean the one who cultivates this, did not come today because of this terrible weather, and we have to head back. So I'm back at my home and now it's totally raining. Now I'm warming up my hands, as you can see. So alright guys, now I'm right here back in my home and there is no light in our home, so we went to buy some vegetables but the owner did not came because of this terrible weather. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video guys. If you like it, then please be sure to subscribe. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.